To remove fake virus pop-ups on Microsoft Edge, follow these safe and effective steps. Launch Microsoft Edge like you normally would. Make sure you are on the main browser window, not stuck on a pop-up tab. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. This is a quick command to directly bring up the Clear Browsing Data settings. At the top of the Clear Browsing Data window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Time Range. Click it and select All Time. Choosing All Time ensures every stored item, even from weeks or months ago, gets wiped out, removing any trace of malicious scripts or tracking data that may be triggering pop-ups. Check the following important boxes. Taking browsing history will delete the list of websites you have visited and also help remove traces of malicious or misleading URLs. Cookies and other size data would delete saved login sessions, ads trackers, and most importantly, bad cookies from scam websites that keep reloading the pop-up or redirecting you. Taking cache images and files will clear downloaded website files stored by your browser to load pages faster, which will also flash out fake pop-up scripts stored in here. Once the right checkboxes are selected, click the Clear Now button. Depending on how much data you have stored, this might take a few seconds to a few minutes. Now let's disable notifications from shady websites. In the Edge address bar, type Edge Settings Content Notifications. Here you will see two sections. A section where sites are not allowed to show notifications, and a section where sites are allowed to send you pop-up notifications, even outside your tab. Under the Allow section, look for any weird, unfamiliar, or scammy-looking websites. If you are unsure, any website that doesn't look like a site you regularly visit or has random numbers, hyphens, or scary keywords. For each sketchy site in the allowed list, click the three dots menu next to the URL and choose Remove. This immediately stops that site from sending you notification pop-ups, even if it's opened in a tab or previously visited. Many fake virus pop-ups are just web push notifications. They are not viruses, but they abuse your permission to spam you. Removing them stops the spam instantly.